Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see assembler algorithm of pass1. So for pass1 of assembler we require some basic data structure. So the data structure that we require are machine opcode table, that is MOT, symbol table ST, literal table LT, pool table PT, table for storing intermediate core in the internal format, that is IC. IC stands for intermediate core. Now we will see the algorithm. The first step of algorithm is to initialize the LC counter, that is location counter, to 0. Then the index of next entry in pool table is also initialized to 0. Pool 0 start from 0th location in the literal table. Again, pool tab pointer is again initialized to 0. Then the index of entry in the literal table is initialized to 0. Till fourth step, we are just doing initialization to 0. Now we will open the source file. While the opcode is not equal to end, till that we will read the line of the source code. So the case 1 is if the opcode is a start or a origin, then the location counter contains the value in operand field. Case 2 is if the opcode is any EQU statement, then we have to insert it in the symbol table. The symbol table consists of label, value in operand field. Case 3 is if opcode is any label, then again insert it in a symbol table. Case 4 is if the opcode is any declarative statement, that is DS or DC, that is declare storage or declare constant. Then the type 1 will include the type of declaration statement. Code 1 will include the core, that is index and MOT of the declaration statement. Here MOT is nothing but machine opcode table. Then size is equal to size of the memory area required by DS or DC. Then we have to generate intermediate core and store it in IC table. Location counter will increment its size. Then the case 5 is if opcode is equal to any imperative statement, then the type 1 will consist of type of the imperative statement. Core 1 will consist of core of the opcode, size equal to the size of the instruction, and if operand is a literal, then the literal is stored in the literal table. Then the intermediate core is generated and it is stored in IC table. LC, that is location counter, will again increment its size. Now the case 6 is if the opcode is any LTORG statement, then the literals of the current pool of literals are assigned addresses. IPT, that is index of pool tab pointer, get incremented. Again, the pool tab pointer will points to the I of LT, that is it point to the literal table. LC, that is location counter, is modified suitably. So this is all about the pass1 of assembler. Now we will see what is the main principle of pass1. So the main principle of pass1 is find the length of machine instruction from MOT, that is machine opcode table. Keep a track of location counter. Remember values of symbol until pass through the core. Process some pseudo opcodes as if remember literals. So this is all about the pass1. In the next video, we are going to see the pass2 of assembler.